So welcome back to my show, y'all. As always, I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. You noticed that I'm in my truck tonight and waiting in detention. And on tonight's show, I'm going to discuss some things about, well, driving on ice. So stay tuned. So the weather's been getting a lot colder in the last couple days down here in Texas. And today, while I was on my way into work, I encountered some of that clear stuff that no one wants to see on the road. Yeah, I'm talking about black ice. Now in my case, I was able to get through it just fine because I knew what to do. But if you got black ice going on, it's a best practice to know what the accumulation is and generally not to come out here on the roads. So first, let's discuss what is black ice. Black ice is simply ice you cannot see. And it hits hardest at night because you got black pavement. Sometimes the pavement itself is a bit reflective. And then a layer of ice forms on top of it. And it's very thin. So, should you be driving tonight? Well, if you're down in the Texas Hill Country, not at all. You need to be parked and at a truck stop. But if you're up in North Texas or heading eastbound into Arkansas, you're going to be fine because the front's already passed through, and another effect called sublimation has kicked in that actually helps keep the ice off the roads. Now, as part of that sublimation effect, you also get very strong wind. And by strong wind, I'm talking gusts over 40 miles per hour. So, if you're driving tonight down here, just be very careful. Also, a quick update on my studio. It's done. I just got a couple more pieces of furniture I want to get for it later. But right now, as it stands, it's ready to go. You may have seen me film a couple episodes from the studio already. And it's nice having a 2-bedroom apartment because one of the bedrooms is now the studio space and the other one is my sleeping quarters. So that's what I deal with when I'm home. Until next time, let's make your next trip your best trip. Stay warm out there. And bye for now.